Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Nilofer Ramji. There's a full house aboard the space station. The crew welcomed 4 new members for an 8-day stay, and a few days later welcomed another delivery. This time it was food, fuel, and supplies. Axiom Mission 2, the company's second private astronaut mission to the space station, launched on Sunday, May 21st, with Commander Peggy Whitson, pilot John Schaffner, and mission specialists Ali Al-Karni and Brianna Bernawi from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Crew Dragon Freedom arrived at the station the next day, bringing the total crew count up to 11. The Axiom Space astronauts are expected to depart the station on Friday, May 30th for a return to Earth and a splashdown off the coast of Florida. Another launch took place this week when a Progress cargo spacecraft made its way to the space station packed with supplies.
And liftoff. Liftoff of the 84th Progress resupply ship to the International Space Station.
On Wednesday, May 24th, Progress 84 launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. A few hours later, the spacecraft arrived to the orbiting outpost and docked to the Poisk module on the Russian segment, bringing with it vital supplies for the crew. Long-duration spaceflight is on the horizon, but what effects will such space travel have on the human body? In order for us to be prepared and keep astronauts safe, we need to understand what happens to humans in low Earth orbit over long stretches of time before making, say, a journey to Mars that can last up to 2 years or more. Astronauts today typically spend about 6 months on the station, while some NASA astronauts have spent closer to a year in orbit. Together, these space journeys have made scientists curious. As missions become longer, what will happen to the human body? How will vision, bones, the brain, and even behavior be impacted? An integrated protocol called CIPHER is bringing together a huge number of disciplines and researchers to learn more. Together, they'll pool information collected from astronauts aboard the International Space Station to unlock how humans can thrive on long-duration missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. You can hear more about it from our experts on the latest episode of Houston, We Have a Podcast. You can find it on our website or wherever you download your podcasts. And that's Space to Ground for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you're in the United States, we hope that you have a safe Memorial Day weekend. We'll see you next week.